Hey everybody, welcome to the Hayes channel. Today we're going to talk about the 10 psychological tricks to help others respect you. As human beings, we have an innate need to be liked and to be respected by our families, friends, peers, and work colleagues. It isn't always necessarily about focusing on yourself and focus on how you can help others. Being respectable or earning the respect of others usually take years of demonstrating good character. However, there are some exceptions where you can be respected without having to wait for years. Here are some psychological tricks to help others respect you. First, stop saying sorry. Ever find yourself constantly saying sorry for no reason? People who are constantly saying, "I'm sorry" without giving it a second thought are usually not the ones who are well respected. There is generally a time and place for apologies. For example, if you make a mistake or you say something which upsets somebody, try and stop using the word sorry more times than you need, especially in the workplace. Number 2, share your shortcomings. It's natural to want to hide your imperfections or flaws so that you don't feel like you are being judged by others. However, it doesn't always work because people can somehow sense when you're hiding the truth. Actually, sharing your flaws shows confidence and willingness to show things that you need to develop on can make you come across as a human being. This level of confidence can help you respected. Number 3, don't waste people's time. In the age of busy lifestyles, working days can get filled up by meetings and deadlines, which can be time-consuming and stressful. As we know, time is precious and you don't get that time back. If you respect others' time, they will respect yours. This may include not being late for appointments, getting the point fast, bringing up issues and concern right away, being more succinct, and of course, making it easier for others to make decisions, especially when they are busier than you. Number 4, get comfortable with platonic touching. Sometimes people are usually uncomfortable with making physical contact with people, especially in the workplace. This is why people would prefer a wave than give a shake hand. But the truth is that touch is very integral to human connection. It builds trust and brings a feeling of closeness. In order to ensure that you don't overstep boundaries, ensure that the touch does not last for 5 seconds, and that is universal rather than towards certain people. Finally, be mindful of how people react to the touch and make sure to adjust accordingly. Number 5, think about your emotional reaction in situations. Often we can react instinctively in situations rather than taking time to think about situation. This does not mean changing who you are, but rather being more mindful about knowing the difference between responding and reacting. Good leaders are well-respected people respond rather than react to situation. This behavior does not go unnoticed and people are more likely to trust you and your judgment if you act in an appropriate way. Number 6, think about your moral code. When we think about our morals, they may vary from person to person. What do you believe in? What's important to you? What makes you mad and want to change the world? This kind of question will get you to the core of your own personal moral code. If you have a clear moral code, people will know where to stand with you and will respect you more. Number 7, think about your body language and posture. How you hold yourself can have an impact on how people receive you. Physically taking up more space will help you command more respect. Body language is used as a form of non-verbal communication, so think about how to take up space non-invasively with your posture. You can do this by taking a second to roll your shoulders back and increase the space between your ribs and hip bones before you enter the room. This will help you to stand taller and change the way people look at you positively. Furthermore, having open and relaxed body posture when seated or stood up can also make you feel more approachable, which people respect. Number 8, keep your promises. This is by far one of the most important actions you can take to start gaining respect. So always try to honor commitments and promises that you make to people. If you find yourself having a lot of trouble with that, it means you make too many promises you can't keep. Be honest with people if you can't make promises. They will respect you more for being honest. Number 9, upgrade your attire. Ever heard that people usually make the decision on whether to like someone in the first 5 seconds of meeting them? That is all it takes and we rarely get a second chance to make a first impression. One of the easiest way to command respect is the way you dress, and unlike your natural looks, this you can control. It comes as no surprise that some people make the mistake of dressing to blend in just because they are scared of being judged. Wear clothes that fit nicely and flatter your body type, as this will make you feel comfortable and, in turn, more confident. It is also a way to get noticed positively and gain respect by being comfortable in your own skin. Number 10. Speak up when you are mistreated. It can be hard to stand up for yourself sometimes, especially if you don't want to offend or confrontational with somebody else. However, when someone is mistreating you or taking advantage of you, do your best to stand your ground. Be professional and diplomatic, but don't be silent. Speaking up for yourself is not always easy to do, which is why it is a mark of a person deserving respect. That's all for the sharing today. If you like this video, please consider to smash the subscribe button and turn on all the notifications so that you're not going to miss out any video just like this from this channel. And most importantly, leave a comments below. Let me know what you think. I would love to read and reply to your comments. And I hope to see you in the next video.